He didn't chew it off, so Bella wanted to, I guess.
He's nervous right now. Okay, so we're at the dog place, and I'm just gonna be filming here because I thought I should. And my why? She's eating my. Okay. Then. So we're like eating a bunch of things, and we're just having lunch right now. My mom's holding Kona.
I knew you would eat it. Everybody's really, it's disgusting how good it is.
Bunch of
You know, but he's
and there's
very fearful. And he goes
so much. We're at like a dog festival, so we're at Woodstock. It's really cool, and I just love it. All we did is like get their nails trimmed, and then these kids came to eat because I was really starving. I didn't have any food this morning, so
like, and it's like,
much fun stuff. All these dogs.
and it was Leo's.
Aren't these dogs cute?
Adorable.
The most cutest dog here is. Where is he? Right there. Say hi. You like to say hi. You love to say hi.
Cameron wants one of those little dog balloons.
No one that I got. Remember, her name was Violet?
Yes.
I'm going to get what it is.
Oh, that's right. You did come to one of these with Grandma because you brought her home and you gave us all this stuff. You brought home all the bag of stuff. She's so cute.
Yeah, we just wanted to, we're going to this. We're going to get tattoos.
No, he was drinking.
Oh, yeah.
So much drinking, so much things.
How often you cook them?
Yeah.
They come down like
He did.
down really low. I saw the picture.
So yeah, I'll just see you like when we're getting my food or something. Bye. We're back. We're back. So yeah, we're baking up. We're gonna get guacamole. Mom making the guacamole, and I'm gonna make it. Very good. And I like those. They're so good. We'll see you at dinner. So, today we're back, and I'm just. Oh, sorry. I had some guacamole because we just made it, and it's going very. I made it. It's really good. So, I don't know why I can't. So I can't really film that much today because it's already 3, and I don't know if I will film going. Tomatoes, but I don't know. Someone's coming over here, not Megan, but someone else, my dad knows, so we decided to have them. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, and I hope you liked like when we went to the dog show, and yeah, let's go. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.